Bitcoin money value sort of equivalent to $129.24 a coin, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 125.14 129.79 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 126.11, which generally is genuinely critical. The change especially was plus 3.13, plus 2.48%, showing how the change for the most part was plus 3.13, plus 2.48% in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Reverse rate, USD to BCH in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 20, cost $128. Lovely most extreme $137, by and large least $119 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $120, kind of greatest $128, by and large least $112, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $124, greatest $133, truly least $115, certainly further appearance how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $124, especially most extreme $133, genuinely least $115, which really is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $130, for the most part greatest $139, least $121, in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $138, for the most part greatest $148, by and large least $128, which fundamentally is very huge. Bitcoin money figure on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $139, certainly most extreme $149, really least $129, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $144, fundamentally most extreme $154, kind of least $134, which certainly is very huge. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $134, fundamentally greatest $143, by and large least $125 in a for the most part enormous manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $128, most certainly greatest $137, genuinely least $119 in a kind of significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $126, lovely greatest $135, sort of least $117 in an all things considered, significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $127, most certainly greatest $136, especially least $118 in a fundamentally significant way. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $126, truly greatest $135, most certainly least $117, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $124, especially most extreme $133, lovely least $115, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday. April, 6, cost $119, sort of greatest $127, least $111 in a very significant way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday. April, 7, cost $117, truly greatest $125, kind of least $109, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Monday. April, 10, cost $118, in every practical sense, greatest $126, truly least $110 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $116, truly greatest $124, least $108, exhibiting that Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $124, most extreme $133, fundamentally least $115 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $115, by and large most extreme $123, especially least $107 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost $118, truly most extreme $126, really least $110, showing that Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday. April, 13, cost $118, kind of greatest $126, sort of least $110. In about a month Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday. April 14, cost $118. Fundamentally most extreme $126, especially least $110. Truly further appearance how Bitcoin money cost in every way that really matters. Equivalent to $129.24 a coin and in every way that really matters. Huge way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $113. Truly most extreme $121, especially least $105, which in every practical sense shows that Bitcoin money figure on Monday. Walk 27, cost $139, especially greatest $149, really least $129 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $111, in every practical sense, most extreme $119, certainly least $103, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday. Walk 20, cost $128, certainly greatest $137, certainly least $119, which truly is genuinely huge. USD to BCH swapping scale most certainly equivalent to 0.7738 coins per $100, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $124, kind of greatest $133, beautiful least $115 in a kind of significant manner. Today, S reach 0.7705 minus 0.7991, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The past day, S nearby 0.7930. Further appearance how USD to BCH conversion scale equivalent to 0.7738 coins per $100, showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost $124, exceptionally greatest $133, extremely least $115 in an unpretentious way. Change for now 0.0192, 2.42% in a fundamentally significant way. USD to BCH cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday. Walk 20, cost 0.781 coins. By and large most extreme 0.840, beautiful least 0.730, which especially is very huge. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 0.833 coins, really greatest 0.893, all things considered, least 0.781. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin money cost truly equivalent to $129.24 a coin. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 0.806 coins, certainly greatest 0.870, beautiful least 0.752, which really is genuinely huge. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 0.769 coins, especially most extreme 0.826, especially least 0.719. In every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. And multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Friday. Walk 24, cost 0.725 coins, extremely greatest 0.781, all things considered, least 0.676, which is genuinely huge. USD to BCH forecast on Monday. Walk 27, cost 0.719 coins. By and large most extreme 0.775, certainly least 0.671, which in a real sense is genuinely critical.